Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one of my personal favorites to film. I am sharing my current self-care obsession. We are talking skincare, body care, hair care all in one video. Now everything I am sharing today is something I genuinely use in my daily routine. Some of these were recommended by my dermat and some I just discovered on my own. No bluffing, just honest thoughts. Let's get into it. Starting with the most important step, which is cleansing. My current face wash is Cera Hydra Glow face wash and I genuinely love this. I have combination and acne prone skin and I deal with whiteheads and pigmentation. My dermat actually recommended this to me, so it's not just a random pick. The texture is really gentle. There are tiny granules in it that exfoliates gently without feeling harsh at all. It doesn't strip your skin's natural oils. I use this both morning and night. It has glycolic acid, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, basically everything your acne prone skin actually needs in a cleanser. If I talk about the price, it's only costs you around 269 rupees. Honestly, such a good deal. Do try this. Right after cleansing, I go in with what I genuinely believe is one of the best moisturizers you can use if you have acne prone and combination skin. The Bioderma Sebum Hydra Moisturizer. I've been using this for a full year now. So this is coming from a real experience. And after a year, I still reach for it every single day. Here is why I love this so much. If you have oily or combination skin, you know the struggles. Most moisturizers either break you out or give you whiteheads. This one does neither. It actually helps control acne, it doesn't clog your pores, and it's specially designed for acne prone skin. The texture is incredible, lightweight, non-greasy. It just melts into the skin, no heaviness, no fragrance, nothing that irritates. It just quietly does its job and your skin feels comfortable and balanced all day. Now the price, it's around 1100 to 1200. If you are seriously dealing with acne and you want a moisturizer you can fully trust, give this one a try. It's worth every penny. Now I have a second moisturizer in my routine and this one has a really specific job. The Max Rich Vayu Daily Use Cream. It's richer than Sebum Hydra, so it's not my everyday pick, but under makeup it gives you a most beautiful and natural glow. Your skin just looks so radiant underneath the foundation, and even though it's a richer formula, it's still non-comedogenic and fragrance free. It doesn't break me out and also helps in repairing the skin barrier. This one costs you around 500 and available at most of the drugstores. Now coming to one of my most used products, and honestly this one I keep repurchasing again and again. This is Uvidox Silicone Sunscreen Gel. I've literally been using this for 4 years now. So as you can see, this one is almost over. So recently I repurchased this one because I genuinely trust this sunscreen so much. It doesn't feel oily and heavy on the skin. Also, it's non-comedogenic, so it doesn't clog my pores, which is very important if you have acne prone skin. Also, this one is recommended by my dermat. It has SPF 50 PA+++, gives a very good protection from sun. This one is worth trying. Okay, this next one, some of you might raise your eyebrow, but hear me out. I shave my face and I absolutely love it. The product is Carmesy Reusable Face Razors. Face shaving gives the most satisfying clean feeling. It removes your dead skin and the product you are applying on your skin absorbs so much better. Your makeup application becomes incredibly smooth. Basically, you can call it a mini exfoliation session at home. I do this every 15 to 20 days. The one rule I follow is if I have active acne, I skip it completely. That's so much risky. You get 3 razors in one pack. It has this zigzag blades. That means no cuts. It completely painless and it costs you around 159 rupees. Honestly, one of the best things I have added to my routine. Next up is the Dot & Key Gloss Boss Lip Balm in shade Cocoa Mint. This smells like a cupcake. I'm not even exaggerating. It has SPF in it, which is a bonus. It hydrates your lips so well. At 199, this is such a deal. Now moving on to the body care, starting with the body washes, and my first pick is Dove Acne Clear Serum Body Wash. Honestly, I bought it just to try it. I was getting body acne because of the weather change and I figured why not give it a shot. I saw results in just 2 washes. As you know, summers are rough with the itchiness and sweat. This one really helps to keep them under control. It has 1% salicylic acid which targets acne and it doesn't dry out my skin at all. I use it twice a day. The fragrance isn't my personal favorite, but when the product works this well, you overlook that. I bought this from Blinkit. It costs me around 320, though you will find it a little cheaper on Amazon or Nykaa. Also for winter, same Dove range has a nourishing body wash with creamy texture that smells absolutely delicious, and the price is around 308. And if you love beautiful fragrance, you must try the Dove Relaxing Shea Butter Body Wash. It's incredible. The fragrance is so good. The 1000 ml pack is around 500 rupees. You will genuinely thank me for this recommendation. Now the next up is body moisturizers, and this is where things get really fun because I'm literally obsessed with smelling good. My current personal favorite is Nykaa Wanderlust Dreaming of Paris perfume body lotion. It smells like an actual luxury perfume. I bought this 6 months ago and still not finished. That's how generous the size is. The price is 499, and the same range has a body and hair mist. This will cost you around 599. I layer both lotion first, then the body mist all over. The scent just lasts so much longer. My sister also bought it after smelling it on me. I got so many compliments whenever I wear it. It's one of those products that smells itself. Do give it a try. Another body lotion I loved last winter is the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramel Body Lotion. My sister recommended it to me and I'm so glad she did. You literally smell like a vanilla cupcake all day. It hydrates beautifully, great for daily use, and this one only costs you around 409. So the last section is hair care, and my hair situation is little tricky. My scalp tends to be oily but the ends are dry, so finding the right routine took some trials and errors. Right now I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Purple range and it's been really working well for me. The shampoo cleans the scalp thoroughly without drying it out, which is exactly what I need. Conditioner is amazing for the ends, nourishes them without weighing the hair down. Both are formulated with hyaluronic acid and it really does make a difference. My hair feels bouncy, shiny and manageable. The shampoo costs you around 519 and the conditioner is around 345. And the last product is L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. This one is specially for my curly hair girls. You apply this on your hair length. No rinsing, no residue, no heaviness. You wake up with soft, shiny, defined curls that actually feels hydrated. It claims 72 hours of moisture and honestly you can feel it. It's around 499. It's a great way to finish off your hair routine. And that's a wrap up on my current self-care favorites. From skincare to hair care, I've been as honest as I can be about each one. If you tried any of these, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you are not subscribed yet, hit the button. I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.